Imagine the letter G as a swirling galaxy, each stroke a star in its own orbit, radiating a cosmic dance of balance and beauty. As we begin with the grand curve, picture the sweeping arms of a galaxy, much like the main stroke of our Gothic Textura G. This curve, expanding gracefully, suggests endless possibilities, inviting us into its boundless reach. Now, as the stroke turns inward, forming the inner loop, we dive into the galaxy's core. Here, the upstroke and downstroke meet, creating a delicate balance, just like stars gathering at the galaxy's center, held by an invisible force. And then, with a flick of the pen, we descend into the tail. Imagine a comet staking across the night sky. This tail, with its swift and decisive stroke, leaves a trail of light, a lasting impression, much like a comet's fleeting yet unforgettable journey. The G in Gothic Textura is more than just a letter. It's a cosmic metaphor, reminding us that within the infinite expanse of creativity, there exists a beautiful structure that guides and sustains us. Each stroke is a story, a journey through the stars, crafted by the artistry of the pen.